Hello, welcome. Today I will be showing you how to make liquid soap with just 3 ingredients. The liquid soap is a domestic detergent used in homes to clean dishes, clean the floor, and other domestic activities. So, before we continue, please hit on the subscribe button and subscribe to this page. Please ensure you watch this video to the end. Thank you so much. Let's get started. The 3 major ingredients we'll be using today. We have our texapon. A texapon. Okay, this is a popular brand name. This is known in chemistry as sodium lauryl ether. These are surfactants. So in this case, this is going to serve as a thickener, and it's also going to serve as a foaming agent. All right. And then secondly, we have SLS. SLS for short. SLS. This is also a surfactant. This is sodium lauryl sulfate. SLS for short. Okay, this is a foaming agent. Okay, it is made from the production of palm kernel oil or coconut oil. These are fatty oils. Okay, and then we have our edible salts. These are edible salts, sodium chloride, edible salt. Okay, this is going to help to loosen the viscosity of the texapon. All right, then we have our color. This is optional. If you like, you can add perfume. So like I said, these are optional. Okay, so these are the 3 major ingredients you would use to produce liquid soap. Let's get started. And you're gonna add a little water. Don't forget that this is for illustration purpose. If you want to make huge quantity, like 5 liters, 10 liters, 20 liters, you can leave a comment with me in the comment section, and I'll give you guidelines. I'll let you know the parameters, quantity you will need for such amount of liquid soap or liquid detergent. So, having hot water, you have water here. So the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to add the texapon into this bowl. Okay, you can see how thick it is. Okay, these texapon, they are used for cosmetic products, shampoos, soaps. Pharmaceutical companies also use it to produce drugs, so it's a very important chemical in the chemical industry. Alright, so we squeeze this gently. You can see how thick it is. Squeeze it, and this texapon is one of the chemicals that has the ability to dissolve completely in water. So, if you like to say, they are soluble. They dissolve completely in water to form solution. Okay, so you just keep stirring it to dissolve it. This is a very important aspect of production. A lot of people think that lot of people think that production is rocket science. No, it's not. You just need to understand the chemical properties of these chemicals. Alright, please watch this video to the end. In case you are out there, you don't have a job for now, you can produce this with less than $1,000. You can produce something and you can sell it and make money. Alright, so we're going to add our edible salts here at this point. It's edible salt, so already, and then you keep stirring. Alright, you see, this salt is going to help to loosen the viscosity of the texapon. You can see, alright. Okay. So at this point, we're going to add our SLS. Remember, I told you that they belong to the same class. SLS and the texapon, they belong to the same class. They are the same sodium lauryl ether. They belong to the same class. So first and foremost, we're going to dissolve this SLS. We're going to dissolve it, and we'll dissolve it. Okay. As you can see, this is it. It looks like rice. All right. So we're gonna add water to it. Make sure you dissolve it separately before adding it to the solution. So stir just to make sure it's dissolved. In most cases, you can actually leave it overnight for 24 hours before you use it for your production. But like I said, for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using it right now. We're still going to have the same results. The thing is, you need to keep stirring it. You need to keep stirring it. And to keep stirring. Alright. So I believe that this has been dissolved to a minimum, and it is continuous stirring that will give us what we want. So we're going to pour this into the solution as we continue. So stir. So folks, you got no excuse. Yeah, you can get these chemicals from chemical hardware store around you, your location, your area, and you can produce and start making money. You can sell and start making money. Okay, you can see that the viscosity is much, so I'm going to reduce this thickness, adding a little water. So I'm just going to round up with 1 liter. It's really enough. So we keep stirring. So after this production is completed, you're going to leave it for at least 12 to 24 hours. 12 to 24 hours for it to completely dissolve the essence completely dissolve. This will give you maximum foaming, and it's very, very profitable. Now I'm going to add color. Alright, this is our color. Okay, so we're just going to dissolve this. Dissolve it before we add it. Always ensure to dissolve it separately before we add it to the solution. Alright, so let's do this. Alright. So we keep stirring. Remember, color is optional. You can choose any variety of color you want, and you can add color to your taste. Alright? Some persons might want it very dark. Some persons might want it light. You know, so it all depends on you. Alright. So I have fragrance here. Add a little fragrance and make sure that the kind of fragrance you're going to add, the kind of fragrance you choose should be user friendly. For example, if you're going to use it for domestic purpose, like to wash dishes, choose lemon. Lemon is okay. Alright, this is a little fragrance, so I'm going to add this fragrance. Alright, it smells nice. Wow. So folks, you can get this in chemical hardware store. You can produce, you can start selling and making money. You can supply this to shops. You know, you can supply this to companies, restaurants, stand. This is how to make liquid soap with just 3 ingredients. You spend less. You'll come up with quality products. It's still very thick. I'm going to increase the quantity of washing. Keep stirring. Okay. Please hit on the subscribe button just to encourage us. This video is not sponsored, but it was brought to you by your encouragement and support. If you want me to teach on how to make shampoo, please leave a comment. Leave a message in the comment section. If you want me to teach on hair conditioner, just leave a message for me in the comment section. If you want me to teach you how to make liquid soap from other source, from other chemicals, just indicate and leave a comment. Just leave a comment with me at the comment section. So folks, this is how to make liquid soap with just 3 ingredients. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. Let's see how this looks like. Wow, this is so amazing. This is amazing. Let's have this here. You can see how it looks like. It's so amazing. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Thank you.